Hello everybody, I am Aalish Pal. Welcome back to English grammar class. Okay, I have already told you this class is useful for entrance preparation students as well as class 9, class 10. Yeah, okay. So let me tell you, we have already finished about correlative conjunctions in our previous class. And today we are going to discuss about subordinating conjunctions. Okay. So let me tell you, subordinating conjunctions always join or connect two clauses, dependent clause and independent clause. Yeah, look here. They join dependent clause and independent clause. It means this subordinating conjunctions always joins two clauses. Yeah, okay, look here. The rules about punctuation mark. It means here punctuation means comma. Yeah, where we use comma. Look here. If you want, this is dependent clause. Which clause? Dependent clause. Take it, this is independent clause. I have already told you, subordinating conjunction joins dependent and independent clause. So if you want, this is dependent. Dependent means aruma bhar parnu. And how we can tell this is dependent clause? It means, look, it sentence has not complete meaning. It depends on other clause to give the complete sense. So that this is called dependent sentence. And let me one thing more you to recognize dependent clause. If there is subordinating conjunction in the clause, that clause is called dependent clause. And in this clause there is if, so this is dependent clause. And next is independent clause because it has complete meaning, so that it is independent. Okay. And if there is dependent clause at the beginning of the sentence, then we have to put comma. But if there is independent clause at the beginning, then there is no comma. We are not allowed to use here any comma, no comma. So look this example. Yeah? Okay. And very beginning we are going to discuss about if, unless, provided that. These words express condition. Yeah? Condition means circumstance, situation. In Nepali, sarta. Yeah? Okay, look. So, how if expresses condition? In Nepali, if it is called yadi. We tell that यदि यस्तो भयो भने त्यस्तो हुन सक्छ हामी भन्छौं नि त या in the sense if he goes to the theater he will watch the latest movie. Look, situation. If he goes to the theater, this is condition, this is circumstance. What is the result? He will watch the latest movie. This is the result. Yeah. So we tell that if always expresses condition. Next example. If you pass the entrance exam. If you pass the entrance exam. This clause expresses condition. यदि entrance exam pass huncho भने you will get admission in college. This is the result. So my dear student, I would like to tell you if always expresses condition. Look. Now we have unless. Unless. What is the meaning of unless? Unless means if not. If there is if not. If not means in Nepali yadi haina. If not means unless. In Nepali it is called nabhayasamma, nagaresamma wa यदि होइन, call in Nepali unless. Look examples. If you don't get success in your career, there is if you don't means if not. Get success in your career, do labor hard. Same meaning. This sentence has also same meaning. Unless you get success in your career, do, never, had. Meaning is same, no change. So if there is if not means if subject and don't, doesn't, according to subject, don't. So this is called if not. If there is if not, so in the place of if not we can use unless. So meaning is same here. Both sentence have. Okay. It means if there is if not sense at that time we can use unless. नेपाली नभएसम्म नगरेसम्म तिमीले सक्सेस नपाउन्जेलसम्म डु लेबर हार्ड मेहनत गर्नुपर्छ. या ओके. You won't improve your behavior unless you are punished. You won't improve your behavior unless you are punished. Here unless is in the place of if not. Yeah? Okay. Next example. You will try many times unless you pass in entrance exam. It means you will try many times. Yeah? Unless you pass in your entrance exam. Yeah? So we can use unless in the sense of if not. Okay. My dear students, now we have provided that. Very easy. Yeah? Look here. Very easy. This is very easy. So provided that, we have next word that expresses condition, but it expresses a strong condition. Yeah? Look, provided that express a strong condition. It means express condition, no doubt, but a strong condition in comparison to if. Look how. Okay. I will give you money provided that you start your own business. Look here, my dear student, in the place of provided that, sometimes in exam you have only provided. It means there is no difference between provided that and provided, same meaning. Yeah? But in the place of provided that we can also use if. Okay, we can use. Meaning is same. But look, what is the difference? The difference is that if there is provided that, then this sentence, this clause expresses more possibility than if. Yeah? More possibility than if. It means here there is somehow compulsion. I will give you money. You provided that you start your own business. It means when I give you money, at that time you have to start your own business. I want to give you money, just waste in the market. Yeah? So here provided means somehow there is compulsion, a strong condition. When I give you something, you should do that. This kinds of meaning provided that has. Okay. Next example. Look here. And I have already told you we can use in the place of provided that if also. Only this is the difference. Okay. I will give you grammar book provided that you learn conjunctions in details. Look, I will give you grammar book provided that you learn conjunctions in details. Here also there is a strong condition. Yeah? provided that expresses a strong condition here also. So okay, this is all about provided that. Now look, as for, because, since, they are subordinating conjunctions. They express what? Reason. These all conjunctions express reason. Look, he cannot give donation because he is poor. There is reason. He cannot give donation. Why? Because he is poor. Look, he cannot give donation as for he is poor. Let me tell you one thing. These all conjunctions have same meaning, but using place is different. It means as for can be used in the middle of the sentence, or they can be used at the beginning of the sentence. But because can be used only in the middle of the sentence, not at the beginning, never. Yeah, my dear student, because can be used only in the middle of the sentence. Okay, then after since can be used only at the beginning of the sentence, never we can use in the middle of the sentence, never. So understood you this about these rules? Now let me tell you about this sentence. Okay, since he is poor, he cannot give donation. Look, we have three sentences. These all have same meaning. No changes in meaning. Only we have difference. The using place of as, for, because, since. Yeah, my dear student, while we use these words, they have same meaning, but only keep in your mind where we use these conjunctions. Okay. Next example. I took a rest because I was tired. If we use since, then we have to use since at the beginning. As for, we can use beginning also and in the middle also. Yeah. Okay. Now next we have although, though. It means although and though they are similar, they express opposite situation, contrasting situation they express. In Nepali it is called yadhapi. Yeah, look examples. Though she saw a tiger, she was not afraid. Normally what happened? While we see a tiger, at that time we became afraid. Yeah, we became afraid. But what happened here? Look, though she saw a tiger, but she was not afraid. So here, contrasting situation, opposite situation. Yeah, normally while we see a snake, at that time we became afraid. Yeah, if we don't afraid, it means there is contrasting situation. Look, next, we enjoyed the program, although we were tired. We enjoyed the program, although we were tired. We were tired, but we enjoyed the program. So here also contrasting situation. Although he is a social teacher, he can teach English. Look here also, he is a social teacher, but he can teach English. So here also contrasting situation. And let me tell you one thing, my dear students. It means although, though can be used at the beginning of the sentence also, in the middle of the sentence also, they have same meaning. Okay. Now, even though. Look, even though also expresses opposite situation. Yeah, even though also expresses opposite situation, like although or though. But even though expresses, it means a stronger expression than although or though. It gives more emphasizing than though or although. Yeah, okay. Look examples. he gave donations even though he is a beggar. Look, normally what happened? Beggar person can give donation? No. But here, he gave donations even though he is a beggar. So here also, contrast situation, but gives more emphasizing. Yeah, okay. Next, even though I had no money, I bought a car. I had no money, but I bought a car. Very expensive. Here also, it means contrasting situation, but gives emphasizing. Look, no money, but bought expensive car. He lives in a hut, even though he is the richest person. Look, he lives in a hut. Hut means a very small house, yeah? So, he lives in a hut, even though he is the richest person in the town. So, here also contrasting situation, yeah? Okay. Now, we are going to discuss about next. Okay. Now, even if in Nepali, bhayo pani. Look, it means even if expressed situation will be same or no matter what happened. It means even if expresses the situation, there is changes, but no matter. Suppose, हामी के भन्छौँ हैन यस्तो भयो पनि केही छैन, केही फरक पर्दैन. Yeah, in this sense we use even if. Look examples. चेन्ज भएर पनि सिचुएसन मलाई केही फरक पर्नेवाला छैन. या इन दिस सेन्स वी यूज दिस. इभन इफ आई बिकम अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर आई विल राइड ऑन अ बाइक. लुक हियर, जनरली व्हाट हैपन, प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज कार, या बट हियर इभन इफ आई बिकम अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर आई विल राइड ऑन अ बाइक. Nowadays I am not prime minister, so I ride on a bike. When I become prime minister, at that time also I will ride on a bike. Yeah. So what happened? No matter. But my personal situation is same. No change. Yeah. Okay. So I will teach in the school even if I become the richest person. Look here. I just will teach in the school even if I become the richest person in the country. So my personal situation will be same, no change. Yeah, okay. Next we have as if or as though. As if and as though they have same meaning, no change in meaning. It means in Nepali, mano, jasto ki, it expresses imagination. Just imagine. Just imagine. Look example. He treats me as if or as though he doesn't know me. It means he treats me. उसले मसँग जस्तो व्यवहार गर्छ कि ऊ मलाई चिनेको छैन. या मानो, just imagine. He talks as if or as though she is my girlfriend. Look, she talks to me as if or as though she is my girlfriend. Yeah. So in the sense we use as though or as if. Mano ko sense ma हामी use गर्छौं. Then after so that. Look in Nepali, त्यसकारण and expresses result. So that always expresses result. He learned conjunctions so that he could improve his English. Look, he learned conjunctions. So what is the result? He could improve English. He could speak English fluently. This is the result. Next, she earns money so that she may buy a new house. Look, she earns money. What is the result? She may buy a new house. Earning money and purchase new house. This is the result. Next thing, she is a hard-working person so that she could pass the exam. Look here. She is a hard-working person so that she could pass the exam. She is hard-working person. What is the result? she could pass the exam. So that always shows or expresses result. Then after we have otherwise or else. नत्र भन्ने इन नेपाली नत्र भन्ने सेन्समा हामी युज गर्छौं. यस, otherwise slash or else they have same meaning, no difference in meaning. So look the example. Do labor hard, comma, otherwise or else you will fail in the exam. Do labor hard, otherwise you will fail in the exam. So otherwise or we can use or else because they both have same meaning. Don't do this, otherwise or else you will be punished. Don't do this, otherwise you will be punished. Next, please give me some money, otherwise or else I will be hungry. Please give me some money, otherwise I will be hungry. Okay, now we are going to discuss about next. Okay, my dear students, what? Are you feeling bored? No, be happy. Enjoy the video, my dear students. Okay, I know this video somehow it is lengthy, but very easy. You can enjoy the video. Learning means don't taking any kinds of tension. Learning means just enjoying the subject matter. So be happy, laugh and watch this video. Okay, next one we have no sooner had than बित्तिकै पनि. Yeah, look. No sooner had I reached home than he called me. It means एउटा काम या दुईवटा काम भएको छ, एउटा काम हुने बित्तिकै अर्को काम भएको हुन्छ नि. At that sense we use no sooner had. No sooner had I reached. म घर पुग्ने बित्तिकै उले मलाई फोन गरेको थियो. या, ओके. No sooner had she saw me than her scooter collided with her bus. Yeah. So there are two actions and one action finished and as soon as fast another action starts. In this situation we use no sooner had than. Okay. Next we have as far as. जहाँसम्म हामी के भन्छौं, जहाँसम्म मेरो विचार छ नि यस्तो हुँदैन होला, जहाँसम्म मलाई थाहा छ त्यो मान्छे राम्रो हो. इन दिस सेन्स as far as I know he is not selfish. जहाँसम्म मलाई थाहा छ ऊ सेल्फिश हैन. as far as corona virus is concerned, जहाँसम्म कोरोना भाइरसको कुरो छ नि it is very dangerous. Here next, as far as my qualification is concerned, here concerned means जहाँसम्म मेरो क्वालिफिकेसन को कुरो छ नि. In this sense, as far as my qualification is concerned means जहाँसम्म मेरो क्वालिफिकेसन को कुरा छ नि, I have done masters. Yeah. So is concerned means जहाँसम्म त्यसको कुरो छ नि. In this sense we use this. Then after as long as जबसम्म I will have money as long as I earn money. जबसम्म म पैसा कमाउँछु तबसम्म मसँग के हुन्छ त मनी हुन्छ. Yes. Okay. I never forget her as long as I live. बासुन्जेल म उसलाई बिर्सदिन. Yeah. And okay, my dear students, this is all about subordinating conjunctions. I hope you have understood this conjunctions. Okay, now we are going to discuss about some important questions. Yeah, okay. Okay, look, these questions. Number 1, hard work, comma, he failed his exam. Let's stop. We have options. Although, though, despite of, in spite of. So which one is correct answer? You think although, yeah, but not although. Correct answer is in spite of. Why? Because there is no full sentence. If there is full sentence, then we have answer although or though, but there is only phrase, so you use in spite of. Number 2, although topology is the youngest branch of geometry, is considered the most sophisticated. Look here. Here there is although, so we have to only use it here. It is. Why not but it? If there is although, then don't use but, so, however, nothing. Only subject it. Okay. Then after, glucose doesn't have to be digested, it can be put directly into the blood stream. Which one is correct answer? So, number A, there should be reason. Does not digested, so that it can be put into blood stream. Cows, yeah? Okay, number 4. The world's man wasn't happy. Look, wasn't happy. He was rich. Contrast expression, yeah? Opposite here expression. So, although the world man wasn't happy, although he was rich. Okay. Suman worked hard, he could get success. Look here. Work hard, there is result, so that worked hard, so what is the result? He could get success, so we use so that. We postponed the football match, the bad weather. Which one is here? It means we postponed the football match because weather is bad. So our possible question here too we have, yeah? Because of and because. What is the difference between these two? If there is full clause, subject, verb, object, then we use because. There is not full clause, there is only phrase, the bad weather, there is no verb, so that we use because of. Let me tell you one thing, if there is full clause, then because, not full clause, then we have to use because of. So this is answer. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understood this, and this is very important questions for your exam. So please like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel to get new videos. Okay, so this much for today. Bye.